Are you experiencing error code CE-111866-0 on PS5? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Power cycle the PS5 console. When you are experiencing PS5 error code CE-111866-0, power cycle the device. To do that, turn off the PS5 console, unplug its power cable. Then wait for a few minutes before you plug it back in and turn it on. Once you turn on the console, try to download the update and check. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should do is check your internet connection is stable or not. You can try connecting other devices to the same network to see if they work properly. You can also restart the router or modem and check if it helps. You can also open PS5 settings, then head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. You can also connect your service provider for help. Restart the router or modem. You can restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem and wait at least for 5 minutes. Turn them back on and now check if they could resolve the issue. Method 4. Check hard drive space. Ensure your internal SSD has some free space to install the updates. To do that, delete unnecessary games or data. To uninstall games or apps on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage, then select games and apps. Now select the game or app you want to delete and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 5. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take about 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller. Then select Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 6. Reset the PS5 console. If the method shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and saved data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings, then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 7. Contact PlayStation Support. If the previous methods shown did not resolve the issue, you may need to contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. Clearly state your problem and follow the instructions provided by their experts to address the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the error code CE-111866-0 on PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you are interested in purchasing the products, check out the description below for links to the tagged product options. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.